Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Allow your body to relax. Allow your mind to become still. For the next few minutes, give yourself permission to believe, permission to hope, permission to receive. Today, you are opening your heart to possibility, and your wish is already making its way to you. Imagine your wish, the wish that lives quietly in your heart. See it clearly. Feel it. Imagine that it has already happened. How would you feel? Relieved? Happy? Excited? Peaceful? Allow those emotions to fill your entire body, because your subconscious mind responds to feelings. And today, you are teaching it that your dream is possible. Repeat these words silently or aloud. My dreams are possible. My wish is supported by life. I am open to receiving beautiful opportunities. I trust divine timing. I trust the path unfolding before me. The right people are finding me. The right opportunities are finding me. Everything is working behind the scenes for my highest good. My wish is getting closer every day. I believe in miracles. I believe in possibilities. I believe in myself. Now imagine that your wish has already come true. Notice the details. Notice the joy. Notice the deep gratitude. Feel it as if it is happening right now. Your mind cannot tell the difference between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. So allow yourself to fully experience it. Smile gently, breathe deeply, and know you are becoming the person who is ready to receive. I am ready. I am worthy. I am open. I receive with gratitude. Gently release the need to control how it happens. You don't need to force. You don't need to chase. You don't need to know every step. Your only job is to stay open, stay hopeful, and stay aligned. Trust that what is meant for you is already moving toward you, even when you cannot see it yet. My wish is on its way. I trust the process. I trust the timing. I trust myself. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Place your hand over your heart and repeat, my wish is possible. My wish is worthy and is coming closer every day. I choose faith over fear. I choose trust over doubt. I choose hope over worry. And I welcome beautiful surprises into my life. As you continue your day, or drift peacefully into sleep, carry this feeling with you. Something beautiful is unfolding, and your wish may be closer than you think. Thank you for spending this moment with me. Remember, the universe often works quietly before it works visibly.